Hi, first check what is the meaning of income, expenditure and saving quotient. This quotient has one characteristics. The summation of two is the third one. Summation of expenditure plus saving is nothing but income. We can also say it as a population, male and female quotient. What is the meaning of this? The female population plus the male population is nothing but the total population. So we know this quotient as a income expenditure saving problem or population male female problem. I hope this one is clear to you. Means summation of 2 is the third one. In this we have generally two type of quotient. Type 1 is a ratio problem which we are going to discuss in this concept video. Another type, that is type 2, has value problem. We will see this question in upcoming videos. In all these two questions we have in general four statements. First two statements would have ratio, any two among all three. The third is important. First two statement is nothing but the ratio. The third one in this would have a value problem, would have given a value, and the fourth statement is a quotient. So in the value problem you have two ratios, one value and a quotient. In ratio problem you would have first two statement as a ratio, third as also ratio, and fourth statement is a quotient in terms of ratio. Here you have a quotient in terms of values. So there is a main difference between the ratio problem and values problem. Third statement is a value and quotient is a value. Here the third statement is also a ratio and quotient is in the ratio. Okay. In this you have either income or savings say, and the third ratio is nothing but mixing of both. They have income, saving, anything. So solving these type of question, there are many methods. Either you can make equation, you can merge ratio, but the best method is take third ratio which has both as a reference. Take third ratio as a reference and merge according to this third ratio the reference value. I'm again repeating, take third ratio which has income, savings, which has two values including any of the three as a reference, and solve quotient according to the quotient. I hope this one is clear. For better understanding we are going to practice 7 questions on this concept. I would say bring pen and paper. Whenever you get a question, I would suggest pause the video, try yourself, solve the question. Okay. Now practice first question. The question is in front of you. If the ratio of income of A, B and C is 5:6:7, their savings ratio is 1:2:3 and ratio of A's income to B's saving is 15:4. Then find the ratio of C's income to A's saving. Here we have four statements. Statement number 1 has A, B, C income ratio and the ratio is 5:6:7. This is a statement 1. Statement 2 we have saving ratio of A is to B is 1:2:3 and statement 3 is A's income upon B's saving is 15/4 and the fourth statement we have to find C's income upon A's saving ratio. Here the first two is income and saving ratio and third two has both the values. So third is our reference. So we have to merge everything with our reference ratio. One method of solving this is assume this one is 5x, this one is 6x, this one is 7x, this one is 1y, this one is 2y, this one is 3y. So here AI is 15, A income is 15, and with the third reference we put the value of AI and BS. AI is the A income and B saving. A income is 5x and B's saving is 2y, and this is nothing but 15/4. By solving this we will get x upon y, cancel out 3 ja and 2 ja is nothing but 3/2. So either we can take x is 3, y is 2, or x is 3m and y is 3m. We can go with a multiplication factor, but instead of going with a multiplication factor, since we are going to find a ratio, there is no need of a multiplication factor, but in value quotients we have to go with a multiplication factor. So our income and saving ratio for the x is 3 becomes 15, 6, 18 and 21. This is our same ratio with the new value. Y is 2 is what? 2. 2 into y is 4. 3 into y is 6 when y is 2. So this is our new income and saving becomes with the merging of the ratio with reference. We want income of C. Income of C is nothing but 21. We want saving of A. Saving of A is nothing but 2. So our required answer is 21 by 2. So this is our answer. I hope this one is clear. This is a concept by taking x and y. We can solve this question without assuming x and y. How? First, understand one concept. If you have 12 and you want to go with 15 by merging the ratios, so the best you can do is you want 15 out of 12. So what you have is 12, divide by 12 and multiply what do you want. By dividing 12, making it unity, by multiplying 15, you are getting the required value. If you have 3 and you want 7 in the ratio terms, so first divide 3 and multiply 7. This will becomes nothing but 7. What do you want should be multiplied and what you have should be divided to get a required value. If you have 5 and you want 12, so you just need to divide by 5 because you have 5 and you want 12. I hope this one is clear. So let's try this in our question. A, B, C income and savings ratios are given. That is 5, 6, 7 are the ratio, and 1, 2, 3 is nothing but again a ratio. Our reference ratio is A income is 15. Here the A income is 5. We want to make it 15. We merge the ratio. We are not going to change the third value. We are going to change the first and second ratio. A income is 15. So we can do it like 15 by 5 into 15 by 5 into 15 by 5. Why 15 by 5 in all? Because we are going to change A income and we have to multiply 15 by 5. Why? Because 5 is given and we want 15. So 5 divided with the given one is divided and the required one is multiplied. So the 15 by 5 is multiplied in AI, so it should also multiply in all the values. Ratio works like the same. If you multiply or divide something in the first term, you have to multiply, divide in all the terms to keep ratio same. Here B's saving is 4. You have 2. So 2 divide 4 multiply. The same 4 by 2 in all the values. We will get same value. So either you can take x or y, or you can directly merge the ratio. What do you have? Divide, and what do you want? Multiply, and solve the question to find the ratio value. But this is only applicable when you are looking for a ratio. Question number 2 is in front of you. I would suggest pause the video, solve the question. I hope you have solved the question. Again, 3 statement and 4th statement question. A, B, C. Income ratio of A, B, C is 2 is to 3 is to 4. And the savings ratio is nothing but 1 is to 2 is to 3. What is the reference? Age income to age saving. Age income to age saving is 7 by 3. And we have to find the total income of ABC. Total income of ABC upon total saving of all this. Total savings of all this. So just merge the ratio. A income is 7. Here A income is 2. So we have to multiply by 7 by 2 in all. So 2 into 7 by 2, 3 into 7 by 2, 4 into 7 by 2. Why again 7 by 2? We have 2 and we want 7. So 2 divide 7 multiply in all the ratio. A saving is 3. We have 1. So we have to multiply 3 by 1, all 3 in all 3's. So our ratio is merged. And we have to find income of all. Income of all is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 7 by 2. I took 7 by 2 common from all 3's. Upon savings of all, 3 is common in all. So I took 1 plus 2 plus 3 in one section and 3 common in another. Now we will get 2 plus 3 plus 4 is nothing but 9 into 7 by 2. That is 2 comes in the denominator. In the denominator part, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 6 and we have 1, 3. So that is 3 ja, that is 2 ja. Our answer is nothing but 7 by 4. I hope this one is clear. We merge these two with reference to our third ratio. Without changing the third ratio, we change first two ratio and get the answer. Solve question number 3. Again, instruction is same. Pause the video, solve the question. I hope you have solved the question. Question is, we have income ratio, that is nothing but 2 is to 3 is to 4. We have savings ratio, it is nothing but 1 is to 2 is to 3. And we have age income upon age expenditure, it is nothing but 7 upon 3. The third ratio is of the same person, age income upon expenditure. Here the expenditure is a new thing. How can we get expenditure if we have income and savings? We know income plus saving is expenditure. If age income is 7 and expenditure is 3, so we can say age savings is nothing but 4, because 7 is income, 3 is expenditure, savings should be 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Income is nothing but expenditure plus savings. I hope this one is clear. So we have again a third reference with respect to our given terms. Now AI is 7, A is 2. We want 7. So 7 by 2, 2 divides 7 multiply 7 by 2, 7 by 2 in all income terms. We converted age income with the reference point, and age saving is 4. Here the age saving is 1, so multiply by 4. So this is our merged ratio. Now we have to find total income. We have to find income total of ABC upon savings total of ABC. Again the same thing. Income total takes 7 by 2 common. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 4 and 7 by 2. And the savings total is we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 and nothing but 4. So this again becomes 9 into 7 by 2. Here it is nothing but 6 into 4. 6, 3, 2. We will get 21 upon 16, and this is our answer. Total income upon total savings is 21 upon 16. I hope this one is clear to you. Question number 4 is yours. Same. Pause the video, solve the question. I hope you have solved the question. The data is ratio of male and female of city X. City X male, city X female. This data is nothing but 0.66, that is nothing but 2 upon 3. If you have any doubt how 0.66 is 2 by 3, I would say please watch ratio integral form video of this playlist. Okay, now move to the question. Ratio of population of city X, the total population of city X to city Y, total population of Y is nothing but 7 by 9. And what is the meaning of total population is nothing but male plus female, that is nothing but male plus female is 7 by 9. And the last data, and if there are 40% male in city Y, what is the meaning of 40% male? It means rest 60% are female of city Y. So we can say Y male upon Y female 40 upon 60, which in turns becomes 2 by 3. We have X data, we have Y data. This is a single data where we are getting X and Y both. And this is our reference data where we are getting both values together. So here the data is M plus F is X. What is the M plus F here? M plus F is nothing but 5 and we want 7. So we divide by 5 and multiply by 7 because we want X M plus F should be 7 and we have 5. So for the each terms we have to divide and multiply 5 and 7 and 7 and 5. So we merge the ratio for the X. Here the Y male plus female is 9 and here Y male plus female according to ratio is 5. We want 9, 5 is given, so divide by 5, multiply by 9. For the each terms, 9 by 5 and 9 by 5, and we merge the ratio with the reference terms. And what do you want? Male population of X, that is XM, to female population of Y, we want YF. What is the XM? XM is nothing but 14 upon 5. And what is YF? YF is nothing but 27 by 5. 27 by 5 and 5 cancel out. So our answer is 14 upon 27 is our required answer. I hope this one is clear. We just need to understand which one is the reference data and merge the reference data with another two data ratio. And generally we do not touch the reference data. I hope this one is clear. I will again say pause the video, solve the question. I hope you have solved the question. Here again we have ABC income ratio is 3:4:5 and their savings ratio in the ratio of 2:1:3, and the third is the ratio of age income upon difference of B's income and age savings, and difference of B's income and age savings is nothing but 4 upon 3. In the ratio terms of the reference we have a relation, so it's not an easy question, but we'll do the same things. Age income here is 4, here age income is 3, so we just multiply 4 by 3. 3 divide 4 multiply. Here again 4 by 3 because one multiplication is 4 by 3. So all multiplication would be 4 by 3. Age income becomes 4. We want B savings minus A savings should be 3. If A income is 4, this should be 3. What is the B's income? By here, the B's income is nothing but 16 by 3 minus A's saving. What is the A's saving is 2. But we need to multiply something here. So say we are multiplying X and we want 3. I'm again repeating, we merge A income. According to data, it was 3. We want 4. So 3 divide 4 multiply for all the ratio terms. And we want BI minus AS should be 3. If AI is 4, BI minus AS should be 3. We have BI which is already merged. So we are not going to change anything. That is 16 upon 3. But we have to work on a savings. So 2 minus some factor is equal to 3. So by this we can say 2x is nothing but 16 by 3 minus 3, that is 16 minus 9, 7 by 3. So x becomes 7 by 6. So we have to multiply 7 by 6 in the saving term. And one multiplication means multiplication in all. And this is our merge ratio. And what do we want? Find the ratio of C's income upon C's saving. C's income is 20 by 3. And C's saving is 21 upon 6. That is 2 ja. 2 goes upside. So this becomes 40 upon 21. And this is our answer. I hope this one is okay to you. Now next question. Question number 6. I would say pause the video, solve the question. I hope you have solved the question. Let's see. ABC income is given is 2 is to 3 is to 4. Expenditure ratio is given 1 is to 2 is to 3. And ratio of age income to age expenditure is nothing but 9 is to 5. And we have to find the ratio of total income ABC to total savings. We want total income ABC and we want total savings of ABC. First merge the ratio. A income is 9. Here A income is 2. So we have to multiply 9 by 2. 2 multiply 9 divide because we want 9. That is 9 by 2 and 9 by 2. So income part is merged. Age expenditure is 5. Here the expenditure is 1. So 5 multiply in all the values. And expenditure is part is also merged with the reference data. And we want income of ABC all together. So in the income part, 9 by 2 is common. So take 9 by 2 common. We have 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 2 plus 3 plus 4 is the income part. But we have to find the savings part. We have expenditure part. First find the expenditure part. ABC. What is the expenditure of this? That is 5 common. So this is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 5. So we can say income ABC upon expenditure ABC is nothing but 9 by 2 and 9. And here it is nothing but 30. So our income becomes 81 and expenditure becomes 60. We have to find income upon savings, but I find income upon expenditure. So how can we get the answer? We know income is 81 in which expenditure is 60 and this is our answer. Now you have 7th question. Again pause the video, solve the question. I hope you have solved the question. Again ABC income ratio is 3 is to 4 is to 5. Savings ratio is nothing but 2 is to 1 is to 3. The ratio of total income to B's expenditure is 24 upon 5. The ratio of total income means income of ABC total income upon B's expenditure is 24 upon 5. Then whose expenditure is the least? We have to solve this question, which is again a relation. We have income ABC means income of A plus income of B plus income of C is 24. Now we have to find what is the income of A, income of B, income of C. Summation total is 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. We want 24 means the summation is 12. We want 24. So we have to multiply 2 in the income part. I hope this one is clear. We merge the income part is 24. And we want B's expenditure is 5 if the total income is 24. We merge the income part. We have income and savings. So we can say it is nothing but B income minus B savings should be 5. B income is already merged is 8. But savings is not merged. So we have to work on a saving with a multiplication factor form. B saving is 1 into something that is 5 and this something is nothing but 3. So we have to multiply 3 in all the savings and we merge the ratio. If we have relation, find the relation, get the multiplication factor which is 2 in this time, and again we have a relation B expenditure, income and savings. Expenditure is a relation. Expenditure is nothing but income minus savings equal to 5. B's income is 8 which is already merged, so we are not going to change the B's expenditure. B's income, so 8 minus 1 into multiplication factor is 5, x is 3, we multiply all the things. Then we have to find whose expenditure is least. Income is rupees 6, savings is 6, and we have to find expenditure, means expenditure is nil, 0. Income is 8, savings is 3, means expenditure is nothing but 5. Income is 10, savings is 9, means expenditure is 1. Whose income is the least? The least income is 0, which is 0%. We cannot say the 1 or 5 is the least. Whenever they ask whose income is least or whose expenditure is maximum, means they are looking for the percentage value. I hope this one is clear to you. Okay, I said you have to solve 7 questions in the starting, but question number 8 is a bonus question for you. Again, pause the video and solve the question. I hope you have solved the question. We have income of A and B 2015 is 4:5, and in 2016 the income is nothing but 5:4, and is also given income of A in 2016 is 50% more than that of, so we are working on A in 2016 to A 2015. 50% more means one should be 150, another should be 100. Than is with 2015, so 2015 becomes 100 and 2016 becomes 150, 50% more. That is nothing but 3/2. So we have to merge everything with respect to 3:2 because it is the reference ratio. We have two values both mixed in this ratio, so this is nothing but a reference ratio. We want 2016 should be 3. Here 2016 is nothing but 5. We want 3, means divide by 5, multiply 3 in both. Divide by 5, multiply 3. We want 2015 as 2. We have 4, so we just divide by 2. And we merge the ratio. The ratio work is over. Now what is the question? 2015 is how much percent more or less than 16? Than is with 16 and more or less means we have to find 2015 minus 2016 mod terms upon 2016 because it is a than into 100. What is 2015 values of B? That is nothing but 2.5. What is the 2016 values of this? This is nothing but 2.4. It means 2016 is less. So our answer is 2015 how much percent more or less? Means 2015 is more. And how much percent? 2.5 minus 2.4 more or less is a difference upon than is 2016 divided by 2.4 into 100. And after solving this we will get 0.1 upon 2.4 into 100. That is point to point cancel out. 425 6 jar. So our answer is 25 by 6% more. I hope this one is clear. Means in this type of question, income, expenditure, saving with from ratio to ratio, we merge the ratio according to the reference ratio and get the question done. Fine. I hope this one is clear. We practiced 8 questions intentionally to learn this concept because this is not an easy concept. I hope this one is clear. Thank you and happy learning.